Hello student of grade 10. We'll do statistic chapter 14.1. Question number 5. If you see the class size, we're going to find the mean only, but if you see the class size, they have given 50 to 52 and this is not continuous, it comes 53. Where in the other question 65 to 68, 68 is continuous, 71, 71. So here this is not continuous. If this is not continuous, to make it continuous interval, what we do, we subtract 0.5 on the lower limit and we add 0.5 on the upper limit. For example, if it is 50 to 52, we'll subtract here minus 0.5. So we'll get 50.5 minus 0.5, 50.0 minus, we are getting 49.5. And in the upper limit, we'll add 52.0 plus 0.5. We're getting 52.5. In this way, we find the interval. So it will be, first interval will be 49.5 to 52.5. Now second is 53 to 50.5. So every time you can minus. They said 53 to 55. So you minus 53 minus 0, subtract 0.5, you'll get 52.5. On the upper limit, add. You get 55.5. So the second is 55.5, and in that way you have to make the class interval, then 55 point, then it become continuous. Okay, we're subtracting 0.5 on the lower limit and we're adding 0.5 on the upper limit. The class interval is frequency is already given: 15, 110, 135, 115, 25. Let's find the class mark now. Class mark means we'll add both. So 49.5 plus 52.5 is 12, 102.0, and divide by 2, 51. So the class mark is 51 here. Then if you see the difference, 49, 50, 51, 52, 3 count is there. So just do 3 count: 54, 57, 60 and 63. This one, since the numbers are very big, I'll use step division method so the calculation becomes a little bit quicker. This I'll select. A is 57. The H is class size. Class size means the difference of these two, 3. And in step division method, we don't have to calculate. The selected one, we can write 0. If you go up, -1, -2. If you come down, +1, +2. If more numbers are there, 3, 4, like that. Okay. Now it becomes easy to multiply now. 2 into 15 is -30. -110. 0 into 135 is 0. This is 115. 50. If you add these two, it is -140. If you add these two, this is 165. Find the total of this and find the total of this. In step division, we find UI. Okay. Now total of this is coming up to 400. And this is 165 minus 140 is 25. Now use the formula of step division. Summation A plus summation Fi Ui by summation Fi into 100. So A is the selected one, that is 57. plus summation FIUI is 25 by 400 into, not 100, sorry, this is H, okay. Formula is H. H is 3. So you can cancel this. 25 one time, 25 1, 6, 16 times. So we are getting 57 plus 3 by 16. You can separately divide in the rough work. 16 one time is 16, 140. 16 8 time is 128. 16 7 time is 112. 16 5 is 80. So we are getting 57 plus 0.1875. So if you add this, you'll get 57.1878. So this is your answer, 1875. So this is done. In question number 6, we have to find the mean only. They've given the class size 100 to 150, 150 to 200, and the frequency is also very small, so we'll use assume mean method. Okay, so class mark means we'll add both and divide by 2. So 250 divided by 2 is 125. This is 350 divided by 2 is 175. Okay, I'll select this as the middle one. So A is, you can select any one, okay, no problem. So try to select the middle one. A is 225. So every time you will subtract 225. So for writing here 125, because it says xi minus a, so we are going to subtract a. So 125 minus 225 is minus 100. This minus this is minus 50. This minus this is 100. 275 minus 225 is 50. This minus this is 100. Now subtract, edit, multiply. This will be minus 400. If you multiply this, minus 250. 0 into 12 is 0. 2 into 50 is 100. This is 200. So the total of this is 650 minus 650, and the total of this is 300. So summation FIDI will be, subtract this minus 350, and summation FI is total of this is 25. 12, 16, 25. So you got everything. Use the formula sum mean equal to A plus summation FIDI by summation FI. So A is, where is A? A is 225, the selected one, and this is minus 350 by FI is 25. If you cancel by 25, 1, 25, 4, 14 you are getting. So you are getting 225 minus 14 is 211. So you can pause the video and write the solution. Let's go to question number 7. I'm trying to do mostly in assuming method because step division is omitted for this session 2021. So I'm going to use assume mean method only. Di equal to xi minus a xi minus a. So find the mid value between 0 and 4. Between 0 and 4 is 2, 0.06. Between 8 and 10 is 12 is 10, 0.14, 0.18, 0.22. Now select one as the middle. So you can, there are two middle, you can select any one. So let me select this. So you are going to subtract this all the time. So 2 minus 10 is 8. So you can write 0.08 minus, okay. This is minus 0.04. You'll get 0. 14 minus 10 is 4, so 0.04. 8, 0.08. 22 minus 10 is 12, 0.12. Since decimal is there, I am writing decimal, okay. Now multiply this. 4 8 is 32. This is Fi, okay, already given in the question. See, 499242. 499242. So product of these two will be FIDI. 4 into 8 is 32, so 0.32. 9 into 4 is 36 minus 0.36. 9 into 0 is 0. 2 into 4 is 8. 4 into 8 is 32. This 2 is, okay. So these two, positive and negative is cancelled. We just have to solve. These two together will be 0.32 and this is 36. So summation FIDI will be minus 0.04. And summation Fi will be, if you find the total, 9, 9, 18, 20, 30 we're getting. So here A is 0.10. Let us find the mean by using the formula assume mean method. A plus summation FIDI by summation Fi. A is this one, selected one. This is minus 0.04 by 30. Plus minus is minus. Now if I divide these two, or if I remove the decimal, you'll get 4 by 3000. 2 decimal place. Now if I divide these two, I'll get approximate 0.001. It goes on something, but I'm taking up to 3 decimal place, and subtract this, you'll get 0.099. You'll go on like that, okay. So this is the answer, okay. 0.099 only you can write. So we got the mean of the given question. Now question number 8. If you see the class size, we're going to find the mean, and if you see the class size is not same. Here the difference is 6, here the difference is 4, here the difference is 4, here the difference is 6. So class size is not same. Here the difference is 8. In every question the class size is same. Only this question class size is not same. If the class size is not same, we always have to do direct method. So 0 plus 6 divided by 2 is 3. If I add these two, I get 16 divided by 2 is 8. 24 divided by 2 is 12. 34 divided by 2 is 17. 48 divided by 2 is 24. 66 divided by 6 is 33. And if I divide these two, it will be 39. Now find the product. 3 into 7 is 21. Direct method. 80, 84, 68. 17 into 4 is 68. 24 into 4 is 96. 33 into 3 is 99. 1 into 39 is 39. So find the summation. Total. Find the total of this. 10, 7, 7, 14, 24, 28, 29, 33, 40. Again, let's see. 448. So this is 11, okay? I made mistake. This is 11. So it will come up to 40. 11 3 is 33 here. Now add this, you'll get 499. 599. So let's check again. 9 9 18, 24, 24, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. 3 hand. 9 9 18, 18 6 is 24, 27, 35, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Let's add here, okay? 33, I'm doing in calculator, plus 80, plus to save time, okay? 84 plus 68 plus 96 plus 99 plus 39. It's coming 499, okay? Now apply the formula. This will be 499 by 40. Divided by 40. You'll get 12.475. So this is your answer. Let me check the answer also in your textbook. Okay, it's given approximate 12.48, but this is correct, okay? So this is your answer. Let's do question number, last question of this exercise. We'll use assuming method. Here the class size is the MC, 10 difference is here. So between 45 and 55 is 50. You can add and divide by 2, no problem. You'll get same thing, 60. If I add and divide by 2, 70, 80, 90. We'll select this as the middle. So every time we have to minus 70. 50 minus 70 is minus 20. This will be minus 10. 70 minus 70 is 0. 80 minus 70 is 10. 90 minus 70 is 20. Now multiply these two. 10 is 80, 60. The total of these two is minus 106. Sorry, this is 20, okay, mistake. 3 into 20 is 60, so we'll get minus 160, and the total of this is 140. If I subtract this, I'll get minus 20. Summation fi di is minus 20. Minus 160 plus 140 is minus 20. So here a is 70. Use the formula. A plus summation fi di by summation fi. Put the value. A is 70, selected one. Fi di is minus 20 and summation fi is 35. Cancel it. 5 4 5 7. So we are getting 70 minus, divide this outside. 7 5 is 35. 7 7 is 49. Approximate we are getting 0.57. Subtract this, you will get 69.43. This is the approximate answer, okay? So this is assuming method, okay? You can pause the video to write the solution. Thank you.